Hi guys, this is Vijay and I hope you are doing well. In this video lecture we will compare the basic features of air cooler and air conditioner. The first feature is portability. Air coolers are portable and thus they can be moved from one place to another, while as air conditioner are fixed at one particular location and you can install again in any other place if required. Second feature is price and operating cost. Air cooler is very budget friendly and very low operating cost as compared to air conditioner, while as air conditioner is too much costly as compared to air cooler and it will consume more power, so its operating cost is also higher. And air cooler, its range start from rupees 2000 per unit, while as in case of a air conditioner its starting range is rupees 25,000 per unit. Okay, so here you can see that it is too much costly as compared to air cooler. Even though if you are looking at the price tag alone, you will also realize that air conditioner are expensive. Another thing to keep in mind is the power consumption. Air conditioner use up a lot of electricity, which means your electricity will be higher, okay, because it will consume more power. However, with air coolers you can cut down the cost up to 80%. The next feature is maintenance. Maintenance is another point of view you should consider when you are thinking for getting an AC or air cooler. You literally have to use up to 6 to 8 buckets of water for an air cooler and fill it up every day before using it. You don't face this type of issue with air conditioner, but they need regular services from time to time. Air cooler removes the heat from the air by using water absorbent pads, while in case of air conditioner it will remove the heat from the air by using a refrigerant like as R290, R22, R600A. It is commonly used nowadays. Now we will discuss on temperature and humidity level. It's a climate control parameter. Water air cooler cools the air and add the moisture to the air, while as in case of air conditioner it not only provide the cool air in summer heat, but also gives you the benefit of air purification all year around, humidity control in the monsoon, and heating in winters. Okay, so these all are the features of air conditioner. The next feature is eco-friendly. Air cooler is eco-friendly as only uses the water to cool the air, while in case of air conditioner we are using refrigerant, and this refrigerant is generally chlorofluorocarbon types, and it is filled inside the coils, and it is less eco-friendly as compared to air coolers. Now that you have learned about the difference between an air cooler and air conditioner, and it's a time to go for shopping. If you are in the mood for that, consider your lifestyle, how often you require cooling indoors, and also your budget is also important. If your family members hardly stay at home, then an air cooler will do just fine. However, if you stay at home all day in a hot climate, maybe you should go for an air conditioner. Either way, both of them can do the best job. I hope this content it will be helpful to you. Thank you friends for watching this video.